So one of the most useful things that can accelerate our learning, our retention, and especially application, so test taking skills, is also probably one of the hardest things to do. And that thing is humbly accepting the right answer. And this goes into getting past something called defense. And so defense is defined as when you're in a new situation that challenges a preconceived notion. So the best example I can give is if you're taking a test or you're doing questions and you find that you got a question wrong that you were certain you got right. And not just that, you actually disagree with the right answer in its explanation. Now you're caught up in a fight with the test makers and your own conscience. Of like, no, I'm right, but they say they're right. I hate this is bullshit, I'm just gonna write it off. This is where the problem comes. Because while sometimes you actually may be right, that's so rare. In reality, it's so rare. Okay, it's so rare. And it's also irrelevant because the test makers are whose opinion matters. And the sooner you adjust to what they want and what they're testing for, the quicker you are going to be able to understand what they're asking and get a greater percentage of questions correct. And you're probably going to learn the material better because in reality, again, you're often not most correct because the test makers are the ones making a test. They know the material best. So getting past this defense is something that will help you so much because you forego that frustration, you forego that inner turmoil with your own opinion, the test maker's opinion, and you humbly accept the right answer. You learn what the test makers are looking for, and you go according to that metric. So this is super hard to do because we have to be humble, we have to accept the right answer, and we have to learn what the test makers are looking for. And this is hard because we were certain we got this right and we got it wrong. So it's a disappointment. But we have to humbly accept the right answer, the ones that the test makers are looking for. And the sooner you can do that, the more you can practice that, the better you're going to start scoring, and the better you are going to learn the material.